Hi there, and welcome to our next video in our Connecting Data Sources to Plotly Studio series. Today, I'm going to be working to connect Plotly Studio to Postgres, one of the most popular databases out there. Postgres has been around for decades, but even though it's old, that just means it's actually really trusted, it's really stable, it's more popular today than ever. At its core, Postgres is an open source relational database. It's really popular with developers who want to retrieve structured data that powers applications, websites, and internal systems. It's often the database that's running quietly behind lots of products that you use every day in production. It's commonly used among software engineers and backend developers. Sometimes data views will be extended from production databases or replicated from production databases in Postgres. And so data teams will often connect to Postgres to retrieve application data. And today I'm going to be working to connect Plotly Studio to Postgres that I'm running locally on my MacBook here. Postgres can be hosted anywhere on the web. Just for today's demo, I'm running it locally here on my laptop. And so let's go ahead and ask to connect to Postgres. Postgres typically uses a JDBC style connection, and I'm going to be connecting here on my local host. My username is my name. My password is blank, actually, in this case. Not a good practice, but running it on my laptop for this demo, so I think I can get away with it. I'm going to be running data from my test database, and it's running locally on port 5433, which is the default Postgres port. Let's go ahead and save this credential. All right, and so we can actually now see the different tables in my local Postgres database. So I only did one create table script and inserted some mock data into this sample data row. Postgres automatically created all of these information schema tables as metadata. Connect about my Postgres instance, select data from sample data. Now, this is a pretty trivial data set for how powerful Postgres can be. It's only 10 rows, but you can imagine this exact same protocol working for your Postgres instance hosted anywhere. We're going to go ahead and connect this to Plotly Studio by clicking continue. And that's it. As simple as that. Plotly Studio is going to be connected to Postgres. And once this loads, we'll be able to render a sample app or jump over to explore mode to get some ideas of different charts we can build, given there's so little data. But thanks for watching and learning how to connect Plotly Studio to Postgres. We hope this was helpful, and we can't wait to see what you build in Plotly Studio. Take care. Bye-bye.